HealthyHouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support my show and get help growing your houseplants, check out my Patreon below. Today I'm going to talk to you about why you don't want to fertilize after repotting. The reason is the possibility of root burn. After you repot a plant, roots temporarily stop taking in nutrients and for a very small period of time even stop taking in water. But primarily they stop taking in nutrients as the roots acclimate to the new soil. So the thing about fertilizer, it's stimulating to a plant and it is meant to be absorbed readily by the roots. But if the roots, as happens after you've repotted, are just sitting there, what's going to happen with the fertilizer? It's going to simply sit there as well. When that fertilizer hangs around the root zone without being taken up by the roots, that can lead to root dieback and even root rot eventually as well. So for as far as how long to wait to fertilize after repotting, you generally want to wait until the plant puts on new growth. Once you see some new growth, you can resume feeding. That could be a while. That could be anywhere between a month to several months, depending on time of year. So if you repotted this time of year, this is about the end time here of really being able to repot at this as we head into colder months, then the plant may very well not put on any new growth until early spring. So keep that in mind. But that is why you don't want to fertilize after repotting. You do want to give the plant some time. Also keep in mind that the soil will have a lot of soils will have nutrients in them already. So you definitely don't want to be adding in more nutrients, as I mentioned, that are just going to sit there at the root zone. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.